Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of GBP USD in front of us right now. And as you can see that overall, if you look at the chart here, then we can easily understand that this market is in downtrend. Yes, this market is in downtrend. But to be honest, the chart of GBP USD is much more complicated, and probably you also know it very well that for the last 1 or 2 days after the CPI report, the market structure has changed and things are not in our favor right now. Things are not in the favor of traders. Market is acting weirdly, or there is not proper movement or volatility. There are many issues. So please listen to me carefully. Please try to understand everything, and at any point of time, if you feel that I'm wrong, I'm doing the analysis wrong, then please feel free to write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. So let's get started. So first and foremost, if you look at the chart of GBP USD here, then we can easily see that this market is in downtrend. Okay, so overall the market is in downtrend, clear? And if we look at the present trend also, okay, if we look at the present trend, then we can easily see that yes, the present trend is also downtrend. Sometimes we see that overall market is in downtrend, but at the present time the market goes sideways. But in the GBPUSD chart, we can see that overall trend is also towards the downside, and the present trend is also towards the downside. So there is no doubt that this market is under the dominance of sellers, or in simple words, sellers are dominating the market. Number of sellers are higher in comparison to number of buyers. And as we all know, we should follow the thumb rule of the market, which says that trend, we should always follow the trend. Trend is our friend. So following the thumb rule or the trend means if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And as you can see here that this market is in downtrend. Therefore, following the basic rule, we should look for selling opportunities. So where do we find the best opportunity to short the market? Obviously at the resistance, because area of value, okay, area of value is always important. As I have already said on my hundreds and hundreds of videos, that area of value is extremely important before executing any order. If a market is in uptrend, the best buying opportunity will always be near the support, and if a market is in downtrend, then the best selling opportunity or the best shorting opportunity will always be near the resistance, because it favors the risk to reward ratio. And right now this market is in downtrend, therefore best selling opportunity will always be near the resistance. And in this case you can see that we do not have any proper resistance with near the current market price. Right now market is trading here. This is the current market price, CMP. But near this we do not see any proper resistance here. There is one resistance in the form of a trend line, but this resistance is quite far away. I have been talking about this trend line for quite some time, because this trend line is a valid resistance for the market, and there is no doubt about it. Okay, so this is a valid resistance, and this line should be there in a charting platform as well, because see, today it may not be going down, going up and hit the resistance, but in the coming weeks, in the coming days, definitely GBP USD will be facing resistance from this trend line. Therefore this line should be there. Okay, anyways, this is the current market price, but this resistance is quite far away. And if we just draw a line like this, okay, then also you can see that we do have a resistance. Okay, we do have a resistance again, but this resistance is much stronger in comparison to this resistance. Let's consider this as second resistance and this as first resistance. Okay, so this small line is your first resistance, and this long line is your second resistance, and this R2 is much stronger in comparison to this R1. Okay, therefore following the basic rule of the market, Your first trading opportunity in this market is if market goes up from here. Listen to me carefully. If market goes up from here, you will short the market at this R1, at this trend line. If you see that market is reversing from this trend line, but before shorting the market, you must have the confirmation. Your confirmation will be in the form of a shooting star, price rejection from above. If you see that price is struggling near this new trend line here, then you can short the market. Okay, so apart from this long trend line, you must also draw this short new trend line, which is acting as a resistance for the market right now. So we have got two resistance. So our main focus will be on the R1 for Friday. On the other hand, you can see that market has also a temporary support here in the form of a trend line that I have drawn here. So this trend line is not that important because this market is in downtrend. Therefore, we will not be looking for any buying opportunities. So just you can draw here, because if market comes down, then you may expect some reversal, but to be honest, I will not recommend or I will not suggest any buy level because market is in downtrend. Okay. On the other hand, you can see that I have also drawn a line here, and I have been speaking about this line for quite some time. This is 1.3755, and my dear friends, this level should be present in your charting platform because this level, this line belongs to the weekly time frame. Yes, weekly time frame. And as you know that I'm a big fan of weekly time frame because weekly time frame belongs to the big boys, the big players. So if I remove the drawings, then you can see that this particular level is providing support to the market for quite some time. So in case there is a sudden selling pressure on GBP USD, listen to me carefully. In case there is a sudden selling pressure on GBP USD, and if you see market reversing from this particular level, then definitely it's a buy call because this is a support from the weekly chart. Because in that case, then you do not need to worry about this trend and all. If you see price reversing, from this 1.3755 level, definitely you can go for a buy order. So your first trading opportunity on GBPUSD chart is shorting the market at R1 and going for a buy at this weekly support level. So these are the two trading opportunities on GBPUSD chart right now. And if you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, then you can see that 59% retail traders have taken short position and 40% retail traders have taken long position. So to be honest, I not getting a clear picture from the retail traders as well, and most of the time we have seen that 90% retail traders lose money. And to be honest, I always prefer to take trades against the sentiment of these retail traders, but here we are not getting a clear-cut picture like the Euro USD or GBP JPY. You'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website abhilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. So this is the strategy and the levels that you need to follow for a GBP USD chart right now. And if you want it, you can also follow the chart of DXY. I have been talking about DXY for quite some time. If you want to understand how you need to trade or how you need to understand the chart of DXY, you can just watch my other videos. Okay, so strategy is simple: buy here, sell here for Friday. That's it. So hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow again with the analysis for Monday. Bye bye.